Hey guys, welcome to another episode of What's in the Box with Squadron TV. I'm your host Brandon, and today I've got the new Gamera 1999 plastic model kit from X Plus. Let's see what's in this box. The owner at X Plus is a big fan of the old Aurora style boxes and model kits, so you can definitely tell that in the styling of their boxes, and not just the boxes and the artwork, but also the way that they seal these boxes. It's just everything about it speaks collector. So anyway, let's take a look and see what we get inside this box. As you can see, all the parts are very nice, very good molding on these parts, and in 1/700 scale, this kit opens up a lot of cool possibilities for some dioramas coupled with 700 scale ship models. So make sure to pick one of these up today. This is a great kit, and would be a great addition to any collection.